Disclaimer: this channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel are for informational and educational purposes only. Please use this as a reference. Every piece of information in this channel does not guarantee that you will pass the test. It is only a guide that can help you become a better transcriber.
This audio is used for the transcriber test at Gotranscript.
Okay, well, Steve, I'd like to ask you how your day was. I understand you had some problems with a machine. Could you tell me about it while I do the dishes? Just start talking.
So, well, between the balancing machine, we found out that the load sensors on the left side and right side of both work by swapping the cables. But the indication on the screen still shows no load values in grams on the left side. I inspected the circuit board to see if there was any loose connections on it. That will maybe it's a current loop load cells that maybe have a different connection, but normally it'll show an error and the signal won't actually show you anything. This is trying to show us something, but it's not the correct value. And then coupled with that, the timing on the weight imbalances now is going to show me about 90 degrees off axis from where it should be. So if it's supposed to be 0 degrees, being like 12 o'clock. If it's 0 degrees or 12 o'clock, we put the imbalance weight there, and it shows it at 90 degrees instead of at 0. And if I put the weight at 90 degrees, it shows it at 180 degrees, etc. So there's a definite problem with the calibration on that. So we need to get Hoffman America out there to do a calibration on the units. They'll at least look at it, but since I think the data acquisition board is having a problem, we've actually looked on eBay and found one at a low price, but it's an earlier revision. And it would still need to be calibrated regardless.
Let me interrupt you to ask you a quick question. How much do you think that this might cost the company?
Well, to get the service tech out, they quoted us $4,000.
Okay.
And the board might be, I don't know, $2,000, $2,500 on top of the service tech coming out. So talking might be $6,500, $7,000 by the time we're done.
Wow. I could buy a nice used Toyota, huh?
Yeah,
maybe.
You could. Actually, some places you can get a nice car for that price.
Yeah.
Still working.
Like a Celica or an Edsel.
An Edsel?
Yeah.
Working? Maybe not.
Well, you know, we can dream, can't we?
You know, to dream, possible dream. Finding a car that works for $8,000.
Well, nine out of 10 car lovers who would love to have an Edsel in working condition, so I've heard from Jay Leno's garage.
But I didn't hear that report. I'm sure I'm not one of the 9 out. I must be the 1 out of the 10 that doesn't. So there's 9 other people that do.
That could be. Well, thank you for telling me all about your day, and I'm sure that the future transcribers of Gotranscript will appreciate it as well.
This audio is used for the transcriber test at Gotranscript.